I'm Alain Lalonde with Ecologix Engineering. I'm the Director of Business Development for Non-Revenue Water. I've been a member of the American Waterworks Association Water Loss Committee for many years, and I've been in the industry for over 22 years at helping utilities better understand and manage non-revenue water. Non-revenue water is the difference between the amount of water that's produced and pumped into a distribution system minus the water that's physically sold to your end-use customers. So it includes municipal usage of water that's not billed. It includes any inaccuracies in metering and the billing system. And lastly, and often the largest volume is associated with leakage and pipe failures. What I've seen in my project is that utilities, although they understand the basic concept of NRW, they struggle when it comes to breaking down that NRW into its various components and also putting a value to that NRW so that they can find the proper ways to reduce NRW and water loss going forward. Regulations across North America are definitely changing with respect to NRW. Many states have enacted requirements for utilities to report on an annual basis their level of non-revenue water and water loss, utilizing the AWWA methodologies. And this is posing an additional struggle to utilities to meet those regulations. Furthermore, the regulations will require utilities to validate the results of their water audit and NRW levels, and also put forward some requirements for reducing NRW. And this will put additional burden on the utilities at understanding NRW and finding cost-effective solutions to reduce water loss. The key to assessing non-revenue water is to start with a water audit. And there are two types of water audits that utilities can do. A basic desktop water audit, which is going to meet the regulatory reporting requirement for most utilities. And often that basic water audit is the starting point. The second is a very detailed water audit, which is a very complex and time-consuming effort and requires a lot of field verification of water meters and consumption records and production records to be able to fully validate the water audit. In my experience, utilities should start with a basic water audit. The basic water audit will give them all that they need to start reporting to regulators if required, and also give them the roadmap on how to move forward to further validate the water audit, and also at starting a program to reduce non-revenue water and water losses, both leakage and metering losses. Ecologix is unique in the fact that they're able to help utilities put together the basic water audit and quickly put together programs to reduce water loss and especially leakage. And all that information will feed back into the water audit and help validate the water audit further. Ecologix offers several technology solutions for reducing water loss, starting with advanced correlation systems that in-house crews at utilities can use to find and fix leakage rapidly. We also have transmission main leak detection systems, and we also have permanent leak detection monitoring systems for both distribution mains and transmission mains. Condition assessment of buried pipes is very important for understanding NRW, and utilities often don't make the linkage between an asset management program and an NRW program. And Ecologix is again uniquely positioned in that we have a technology that will help utilities understand the current condition of their buried pipes to make better decisions at replacing those pipes. In addition, that technology also allows us to locate any existing leakage on those pipes so that we can help reduce current levels of non-revenue water within the utility.